Welcome to the Color Comics, folks, and welcome to episode 3. Me being the idiot I am, all the stuff over... Where's my mouse? Over... Oh, don't move that. Over here. You shouldn't see that yet. It's... I hit record and I hit spacebar again like I have in the freaking past. And I beat King Knight. And I completely thought I was recording and I wasn't, so... I do know I can replay the level and still beat him and show you what all the levels like, so you don't miss anything. But I felt like a complete idiot after I had done that and realized I wasn't recording. It's the biggest load of crap ever. I absolutely hate it. So, I know I'm recording. Let's do this one more time. Alright. Thankfully I've already gotten the music sheet in this level also. But I realized this boss was easier than Spectre Knight, so I could beat him easily again, but I do enjoy it. It took me forever to figure out a couple things in the level too, but now that I know that, it's just bad because I kind of want to record it so you can see my reaction. That's partially the point of playing the game and recording it, but it's so irritating because of that. Get my fishing rod. Boink. Gotta watch out for the sparkles. There we go. Oh, I got a achievement. Ooh. And I bought a couple things back in the village, so my health is higher and I have a higher magic. And these little rat things are absolutely adorable, but I don't get it. They're just little rats on helicopters that somehow hurt you. And I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's molten cheese or gold or what, so... Doink. And that guy... It's a fireball. He's like a mage of some sort. But I actually found Chester in this stage. And got that. It's a fiery wand to conjure fiery blasts. And it actually comes in handy quite a bit. But you can actually hit that beam back at him. Not like that, but if he'll do it again. Like that. Did that dirt just come back? I'm not gonna complain. Alrighty. Now are a couple secrets to this level. This guy is actually just a statue. But the knights like over here, very irritating because you can't do that. They have a shield. And don't do that either. It doesn't work. And I'm not handling this very well. Well, come on. Well, that didn't work. I wanted to get up there to get that gem. Just like that. Alrighty. Let's go back down. And over. This took me forever to figure out. There's a little spot at the end of the hallway where you can get a couple more gems. But you'll see. Gotta jump on it first. But this level is... the level, I don't know. Stuff like this is irritating. I got lucky. But this, it's kind of like a secret thingy. I don't know what to call it, but that's so cool. Brings you over to the secret room. That's where Chester was. It's a pretty great relic, you know. I got a relic here earlier. Took me forever to realize why his name was Chester, and then I realized it's because he has that chest thingy. And I'm still recording? Yes, I'm still recording. Thankfully. I hate it when I do crap like that. It's so irritating. Because moments like that, it's hard to get that stuff back. Like, oh my gosh, I did it again. Oh, this is irritating. Okay. Nope. I did it again. That's a tall ladder. Oh, really? That's disappointing. Ooh. You kidding me? It's so irritating. No, grab the thingy. Yeah, there's nothing on that side. Doink, doink. Ooh, there is something over here. Alrighty. Jump up. There you go. Alrighty. And there is thingy deer. Oh, cool. Not gonna complain. Sweet. Getting all the moolah. I need to come here and just farm this level to get tons of money. There's a checkpoint. That must be above the other part. Yep. Well, let's go back up there, because I know we can go down. I know we can go down. Doink. Alrighty. And let's go across here. What is that? Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Can't claw at me. Oh. Oh no. There we go. Turkey. It's fine by me. Ooh. Oh, well, that's... shoot. Come on. I didn't know this was over here. God, come on. He's right there. A ton of gems. Unless those are hidden little drop downs. Oh, there's a wall there, though. Grab these emeralds. Nope. Ah, come on. That guy's bugging me.
Boo! You stink!
Ah, come on, you dingus. Chest! Yes! Oh, I'm making a ton of gems from this level. Alright. Doink. Alrighty. An apple. Quick analyzation. Alrighty. I can't get back up there. It's not like I got any more to get other than those couple gems. Come on. I didn't even see that. Ah, come on, you dingus. Thank you. Oh, I was literally just one. And away we go! Oop. So far, so good. Oop. That's where that music sheet was. Ah. I about didn't make that. Alright, so that room's good. This took me absolutely forever. I kept hitting that and I was like, oh, well, how do I get up there? I never thought of using the down attack. And it jumps you up there. I'm glad I figured that out though, because I really need that for this part here. But I'm going to use my fishy rod. Doink. Wait, stay there for tonight. I bring grist from the Truffle King. Oh, I can't carry anymore though. Thankfully, I can continue to do that. I died like 50 million times there, and it took absolute forever. What are the chances there are two turkeys here? Nope, just carrot. Alrighty, my phone's probably... The mic's probably picking up my phone. Ooh, another one. What other relics do I have? I don't want to use that. No, we'll probably use for boss. Ah, come on. Oop. There we go. And a turkey. Gobble gobble. And the boss is right after this one. Thankfully there's a checkpoint there. King Knight. An interloper? Interloper? What? Is in our midst. Begone from our throne room, knave. I'm no more an intruder than you. You aren't even a real king. Oh, but you're mistaken. The enchantress saw me for my fabulous regal self, and now all bow before me. You're not but a decadent dandy. Prepare to taste justice. Shovel justice. That's pretty great. Silence! And thankfully I figured out this guy was a lot easier than the Spectre Knight. Watch me get killed now though. Out of being an arrogant idiot. Freaking confetti hurts you. Like, really? Ah. See? He's fairly easy. And I really hoped I got his crown, but sadly I don't. Which I think's stupid, but that's just me. But this is all I'm gonna... Well, yeah, I don't have anything I can do. But all I did, those clouds from where the Trowple and the gem are, the clouds went from the right there all the way and off screen, revealing everything else that's over here. You got the Plague Knight there, treasure knight there. There's another thingy there. And mole knight there. And then there's another village there, but I gotta unlock some stuff first. So I'm probably gonna have to do that level to begin with on the next episode. But that being said, anybody else that's played Mega Man X, that ship kind of looked like this boat from Launch Octopus's stage. That's what I was thinking of. I had to re-film because I said the wrong one in the video. So, bye! This has been your friendly neighborhood K-Man, and I will see you in episode 4 of Shovel Knight. I will see you in the funny papers.